Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And my daughter sent me the link to this web page because she knows I'm into radios. And it's The Shack is Back, meaning the Radio Shack is back. It says you'll love the new Radio Shack. Well, let's take a look here. Okay, there's some stuff. New arrivals. Radios. Let's see what they got in radios. Oh, they only have 7 items, and they're not very impressive. That's not much to look at. Let's see. This says save more on our feature collection. So maybe I should select shop all. Okay. Now it doesn't have a number on the number of items it's found. And this, I guess, is everything they have. And then it reloads another screen once you come down. Okay. Not many radios, but lots of parts. Now that's why I used to go to Radio Shack. They were just around the corner. I had projects that I needed a part for. I knew that their prices weren't very good, but it was available and I could go get it. Here's some adapters. I've got I've got a universal power supply that uses these adapters. Yeah, they got quite a few things. Again, like $3.50 for an LED. That's not really a good price. But if you need it right away. You used to be able to go, not far and go in their store and get all these parts. But this is online, of course. And I've heard there are a few independent stores still available in a few places. There's none around here. So, yeah, they do have quite a bit of parts. I don't see a lot beyond just parts. Let's go back and select, see if we can select a category up here. Radio Shack collection, shop radios collection, and that just gives you these few radios here. That's it. Radio Shack Basics. Let's try that. My daughter said I ought to get one of these sweatshirts or t-shirts. No, thank you. Okay, here we go. And we got the radios again. Some parts. Okay, well, what do you think? Are they back? You think they'll make a recovery here? They do have quite a few parts. Now here's some D batteries. This is an example. This is their brand. You get 10 for $15, so that's $1.50 a piece. And I just looked on Amazon. They're about $1.25 a piece. The Amazon brand. So yeah, it's reasonable. What do you think? Is Radio Shack back or not? Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.